We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 9. So first of all, we will open our instruction file, then click on enable editing and make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 9G ticket micros. We just increase its size, change its color, and here is project description. Increase size, change color. So we will discuss this assignment, but before going to solve this, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 8, 9, 10. We have just 10 questions. Okay, it's not big one. We have just 10 questions in today's assignment, and last one is a non-graded one, in which we have to save, close, and submit the file and get the grade. So let me start today's assignment step by step. The name of today's assignment is Excel 9G ticket micros project description. In this project, you will create 2 micros in the workbook that each set a specific print area to prepare for printing names and name tags. One micro will have keyboard shortcut associated with it, so and the other will run from command button. We will copy finalized micro code into a blank sheet in the workbook. Okay, and then save the micro enable workbook in Excel workbook. So that was just simply instruction or description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what will we get from there. Okay, so in today video we will discuss Excel 9G ticket micros assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get good grades. Steps to perform, instructions. So open Excel 9G ticket micros Excel file that we have downloaded from Pearson. So first we have to open that one. It is just getting opening. Okay, then download with this spread, then ensure that developer tab is enabled. Okay, now we have to enable developer tab. In my case, developer tab is already added, but how can you add? Simply click on any tab, right click on there, then customize ribbon, and from customize ribbon you have to go to main tab, and from there you may see in my case and developer tab is already added. Yeah, there, this one, that is already added, but in your case that is not added. You have to add that one, then simply press OK, so that will be added. Okay, then if necessary click enable content button in security message bar. Okay, for a best result, ensure that your computer is connected to a printer. So question number 1 is done, and we are moving toward question number 2. On sheet 1, in a cell E1 is selected. Okay, now we have to move towards cell sheet 1. Cell E1 is selected, then begin record micro. Now we have to record, click on developer and his record micro, that is started or begin. Then Name the micro. Okay, so we have to record micro, then name the micro, half a D tickets and assign control and as a shortcut key. Okay, then do not close micro dialog box. So first we have to copy this name from here, then in the name here, then there is a shortcut that is control and shortcut key. Okay, so write M there, then so do not close the micro dialog box. No, we do not close this one. Okay, so first part is done in question number one. Okay, so in question number two, we just move towards sheet one with cell E1 selected, begin to record a micro. Then name the micro as half a day ticket and assign control and as shortcut key. Then do not close the micro dialog box, and we have earned 10 marks from there. Okay, now moving toward next word, store the micro in this workbook. Okay, yeah, store micro in this workbook, then enter text enter the text micro for half a day ticket as a description. Okay, now we have to copy this one from there and paste that in description, then close a dialog box. Okay, now we have to close a dialog box while recording the micro. Okay, first we have to close mean simply press OK. Now our micro start working. Now what we have to do, while recording a micro, be sure follow the steps exactly as specified. Do not switch between window or worksheet between the steps, and we have earned 10 marks from there. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we just store the micro in this workbook that we have created in question number 2. Okay, then enter the text micro for half day ticket as the description, then close the dialog box. While recording the micro, be sure to follow the steps exactly as specified. Then do not switch between windows or worksheet in between steps. So after solving question number 3, we have earned 10 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. On a sheet of 1, okay, in a recording mode, drag to select the range C2 to E16. We are on E sheet 1 and we have to drag and to select C2 to E16. C2 to E16. Select this one and we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 4, we just moved to sheet 1 in recording mode, drag to select the range C2 to E16. Now moving toward the next word, stop recording micro, then return to A1 and then press Control and run the micro. Okay, now we just simply stop the micro, then simply press Control A1. Then now we have to press Control and that is shortcut for our today micro. Yes, that is working. Okay, when we just press Control and then this select this one that we have selected in while recording micro. Then modify the code for this project. Use the command selection.print copies equal 1, this one below the line range C2 to E16. Then select intended so that it's left line with the line above it. So now we have to click on micros and there is half day ticket micro, click on edit, so that will be open in VB editor. Okay, Modify the code project using command this one below the line. Okay, we just copy this one. Select independent so that aligned. Modify the code for printed project using command this one below the line C2 to C16. Okay, here we have to in that one. We just simply paste that one. Okay, then in the VB editor, delete any empty comments line or blank lines in the code, and then copy entire half-day ticket micro including the sub statement and statement, then paste the code in cell E1 of sheet. Now we have to delete all these comments that are not needed one, also all these comments, then copy this code, then close this VBA. Okay, and then we have to move toward A1 of sheet 2. Here's sheet 2 and here is A1 and we have to paste that code here. Okay, then VB code should appear in the range A1 to A7 when pasted. Okay, it should be appear A1 to A7. Yes, this space, so we have to delete that one. Okay, A1 to A7. So question number 5 is done and we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to stop the recording, the micro that we have stored in question number 3 and 4. Then return to cell E1 and then press Control N to run the micro. Then modify the code for project using the command selection.printout copies equal 1, collect equal 2 below the line range C2 to E16. Then in the VB editor, we have to delete any empty comments line or blank line in the code and then copy the entire half the ticket micro including the sub statement to the end sub statement. Then paste the code into cell E1 of sheet 2. Then VB should appear in cell E1 to E7 when pasted, and we have done and we get this result. Okay, so question number 5 is done. The same way we will solve question number 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so almost we have just 10 questions. So out of 10 questions, we have done first 5 questions. Mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today's video we have discussed Excel 9G ticket micro installed. We just discussed project description. Then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. After that, then we have solved question number 2, where we have to move toward sheet 1, select A1, then record micro and then name the micro this one. Okay, then in question number 2 again we have question number 3, we have to work on that same micro, we have to add description there. Then move toward question number 4 on sheet 1 in the recording mode, drag select a range C2 E16. Then in question number 5 we have to stop recording the micro, return to cell E1, then press Ctrl N to run the micro. So in this way we have solved question number 5 step by step. So almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. Okay, here is my email ID and here is my WhatsApp number. So you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. The result will be 100% and file will be ready in next 30 minutes. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Or remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. You may simply text me on the given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%. So in today's video, we have discussed almost 50% assignment. The name of today's assignment is Excel 9G Ticket Micros. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.